Hello friends, we are installing Minimal Profile of Drupal. In our last video, we have installed Standard Profile. So basically, why we need to install Minimal? For creating enterprise level applications and creating headless Drupal website, we must need to try Minimal version. So for that, I am just clicking on Minimal. When we are selecting Minimal, it is coming with some uh, modules which are only mandatory for Drupal 7. So just click on save and continue button. For configuring multi-language website, click on this link, and now I am clicking on save and continue button. These are default database type supported by Drupal 7. Configure your database details here. Enter database name and password as well as advanced options available for configuring external database. Enter host, port and prefix if you require. Okay, might be I have not created database. Okay, click on save and continue button. It is installing only 9 modules. Just enter basic website details, admin details, server details, and whether you require updates or not. Just click on save and continue button. Your website is ready. In standard profile, you have seen that admin profile, and if you want to access admin panel, just click on admin and click on modules. We can see that there are minimal Drupal module installed. So basically, if you are advanced developer, then we must try this Drupal 7 minimal profile. Thanks for watching video.